Howdy, my name's Nathan James. I play real traditional country music, and this happens to be my favorite cowboy song. It's called The Blizzard by Jim Reeves. Here we go. There's a blizzard coming on, how I'm wishing I was home, for my pony is lame and he can't hardly stand. Listen to that northern sigh, if we don't get home we'll die, for it's only 7 miles to Marianne. It's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on her mind, 'cause it's nearly supper time, and I'll bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. And just think about the bar with hay so soft and warm. It's only 7 miles to Marianne. It's only 7 miles to Marianne. That wind's howling and it sings mighty like a woman's scream, and we best be moving faster if we can. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's numbness in my toes, but it's just 3 more miles to Marianne. It's only 3 more miles to Marianne. Dan, you get up yonder, cuss. You'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you, Dan, if I can. Alrighty, Dan, perhaps it's best we just stopped a while to rest, for it's just 100 yards to Marianne's. It's just 100 yards to Marianne. Late that night, the storm was gone. They found him there at dawn. He would have made it, but he just couldn't leave old Dan. Yes, we found him there on the plains, with his hands frozen to the reins. He was just 100 yards